What up, y'all? And welcome back to whatsstockTV. So we are doing Audi things today. So A6 should be the same for the A4, I think the A8, Q5, Q7, all of that for around these same years. So we're gonna show you how to get rid of these old door projectors with just a regular white light and switch them out to where you got the logo showing. So super easy install. So you go from the regular light to Audi logo. So here we go. Super easy. All you need is a screwdriver and the light that you need. So here we go. Got your light right here. All you need is a flathead. Push it right here. You pry a little bit. This starts to come out. You pull it down and out, away from where you got it from. Wires are real short, so just be careful. This little tab right here is the plug, so you just push in right here with the screwdriver, and then you kind of pull this light down while you push. So I'm gonna use two hands, so I'll turn y'all back on once I got this out. Alright, so once you got that plugged in, like I said, the wires are super short. I felt like they should have had more slack. Usually they do, but once you get that done, the light will come on, so you'll know you got it plugged up. And then you just push this back up in like so. Make sure this edge hooks. You press up, and you got your door projector lights. So super simple install. Takes about 5 minutes, and you got your door lights. So I wish it was dark so you could actually see this, but I'll try to come back once the sun goes down a little bit. But yeah, that's all you need, and you have your light up Audi emblems. It's got a little bit darker, so you can finally see what this look like. It's actually pretty big, what y'all think? Check out this other side. Yeah, it's a little better on this side. But yeah, 5-minute job, and this is what you end up with.